Imagine holding a small copper coin in your hand, a coin that seems so ordinary, so common, that most people would never even look at it twice. But what if I told you that this little coin could change your entire life today on World Coins Hub? We are diving deep into one of the most astonishing treasures of American numismatics, the 1958 D. Lincoln Wheat Penny, a coin that at first glance looks just like the millions of others struck in Denver. Yet one remarkable specimen has been valued at an unbelievable $10 million, and the journey to understand why will keep you on the edge of your seat from the very beginning. The Lincoln Wheat Penny was first minted in 1909 to honor the centennial of Abraham Lincoln's birth, and it quickly became one of the most collected series in American coinage. But the 1958 D issue holds a story so full of mystery and rarity that collectors across the globe still whisper about it. Imagine walking through an old attic, a dusty box in the corner, and you open it to see a small brown cent that could be worth more than entire mansions. Could you even believe it? To understand the value of this coin, we must first uncover its secrets. The diameter of the Lincoln Wheat penny is 19 millimeters. Its thickness is about 1.5 millimeters, and it weighs exactly 3.11 grams struck from a copper alloy of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. This coin might sound basic, but rarity is not always about appearance. It is about the story behind the strike and the survival of pristine examples. So what makes the 1958 D Wheat penny so special? Why has one of these coins fetched such astronomical prices at auction? Here comes the first twist in our suspense. The Denver Mint in 1958 produced over 800 million Lincoln cents, a staggering number. So how could one of these be worth millions? The answer lies in condition, and in what numismatists call die varieties and errors. Some coins were struck with extraordinary sharpness using fresh dies, and survived decades without ever entering circulation. Preserved in mint state red condition. Those are the ones that can transform into multi-million-dollar treasures. Now imagine the moment a coin is graded by one of the most respected grading authorities in the world. Companies like PCGS, the Professional Coin Grading Service or NGC, the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation. Graders in secure vault-like rooms examine the coin under magnification, looking for luster strike and any tiny imperfection. A Lincoln Wheat penny graded MS-68. Red or higher can break records because collectors crave perfection. And when supply is microscopic, demand drives the price into the stratosphere. But let us hold the suspense a little longer before I reveal the secret that pushes the 1958 D penny into the $10 million realm. Consider this: many people around the world own wheat pennies passed down in jars from grandparents collected from circulation. Decades ago, most are worth just a few cents, maybe $1 or $2 for common circulated pieces. But hidden among them could be a coin with an error or an ultra-high-grade condition. Imagine the thrill of realizing your ordinary-looking penny is actually a once-in-a-lifetime jackpot waiting to be discovered. The particular 1958 D Wheat penny that soared in value was graded by PCGS at an extraordinary level and held pristine surfaces and blazing red color, something nearly impossible to find after over 60 years of survival. Collectors describe it as breathtaking, with full-strike sharp details and an unmatched glow under light. It was more than a coin. It was history frozen in copper, and that is why the bidding wars at auction went wild until it reached the $10 million mark. Now here is something every numismatist knows. Grading is everything. A coin graded MS-65 red might be worth hundreds, but the same coin in MS-67 red could leap into thousands. And once you reach the legendary MS-68 or higher territory, prices can become astronomical. The grading scale developed by Dr. William Sheldon ranges from 1 for the poorest coin to 70 for absolute perfection. And this single number difference can mean the difference between pocket change and life-changing fortune. But what if you find one of these coins in your collection? How do you know where to sell it and how to get the right value? Here is where many beginners make mistakes. Never rush to sell such coins to local pawn shops or random online buyers. The right places are professional auction houses like Heritage, Auctions Stacks Bowers, or Legend Rare. Coin auctions where serious collectors compete fiercely for rare treasures. Another strong option is to send your coin first to PCGS or NGC for certification. Once graded, encapsulated, and authenticated, your coin becomes a secure investment, recognized worldwide. Only then can you unleash its full market power. Imagine the suspense of preparing a submission to PCGS, carefully placing the coin into protective flips, sending it off, waiting weeks for the verdict, and then finally receiving that slab with a grade so high that you realize your life just changed forever. That is the thrill of numismatics, the reason collectors chase perfection in history. Now, before I unveil one last detail about the 1958 D penny, let me remind you to hit the like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And most importantly, subscribe to World Coins Hub, because each week we uncover more hidden treasures, secrets of numismatics that could be sitting in your own home. And by subscribing, you never miss a chance to discover value where others see nothing. Returning to our coin, the 1958 D penny is not just about value, it is about legacy. It represents the artistry of the Lincoln design by Victor David Brenner, the final chapter of the wheat reverse, before the switch to the Lincoln Memorial in 1959. It is history and art and rarity all combined into one small copper disc that could fit in the palm of your hand. Collectors often talk about eye appeal, luster strike, and preservation, but there is also something intangible about holding such a coin. Something that feels like touching a piece of American history preserved for generations to come. The numismatic community agrees that these are not just investments. They are artifacts, links to our past, and symbols of how something so small can hold immeasurable worth. So the next time you see a wheat penny, do not dismiss it. Examine it. Look for mint marks like D for Denver. Study the color. Is it brown, red, brown, or blazing red? Check for strike sharpness and surfaces. And if it looks extraordinary, consider sending it for grading, because you never know, you may be holding the next great treasure. And now let me leave you with this final thought. Somewhere right now, perhaps in a small box, in a family home, or in a forgotten collection, lies another 1958 D wheat penny with the potential to shock the world again. Maybe worth millions, maybe the next record breaker. Could it be yours? This is why you should never stop looking, never stop searching, and never stop collecting. Subscribe to World Coins Hub for future breakdowns of rare coin values, and share this video with fellow collectors so together we can uncover the hidden riches of history.